Ka Rock the Ribbon Youth Festival ajar apulai ba asngi bala pelong da ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society la ni MACS State Central Library kala sedang neksngi. Ya kani ka tamasa la pelong haringkat ka jingis nok tilang bat ki college beper-beper ka East KHASI Hills. Kisamla pulih ki college beper-beper kan session benta ha ka put ka tem nalor kiwei-kiwei ki jingi kop ha kini ki asngi. Ka MACS kala pelong teng ya ki bakum ki tei ki juk ki program ha East but West Giant Hills. Aga juk ka por on sa pelong ya ki bakum kini ki juk ki program ha kiwei-kiwei ki district. Ki nongjap jong ki jinge kop beper-beper kini shim benta pat ha ka kerdan jong ka jela kat baki nongjob ha ka jela kin mi khmat ya ka Meghalaya ha ka jinge kop ka ban salong ha ka hakari. Habakren Shakila Patai Kubor ke Project Director ke MACS Dr. B. D. Cruz kalau ong baka jing temu ban pelong yakni ke Youth Fest kalong ban pen sepiang jing tip syahapdeng ki samla syapang ke HIV but AIDS.
It's mainly to create awareness among the youth. We know that the youth constitute around 25% of the total population of the state of the country, but they constitute about 31% of the HIV/AIDS burden of the country. So we know that youths are the vulnerable population. That's why we want to create more awareness among the youth regarding this HIV/AIDS, because they have a lot of misconception on the modes of transmission, and also in the stigma and discrimination and all that. So we want to create more awareness among them.
Ka komiti ke yang